We're doing some more SAT prep. This is 2.9.15, which is practice test 2, section 9, number 15 on page 491. The lengths of the sides of a right triangle are consecutive even integers, and the length of the shortest side is x. Which of the following equations could be used to find x? So I'm not going to draw this to scale. I'm just going to say, hey, I've got a right triangle, right? I'm going to call this the shortest side. Since they said consecutive even integers, right? So if, for instance, this was a 4, then the other side, the next even integer would be a 6, right? So this is x plus 2, because if x is an even integer and you want the next even integer, you add 2, right? If the next side, which the hypotenuse has to be the longest of the three sides, would be 2 more than that. So for instance, 2 and then 4 and then 6, or 6 and then 8 and then 10, or 4 and then 6 and then 8, or whatever it ends up being. Now, that's not to say that every even integer set will work. In fact, it's going to be a 6, 8, 10 in all likelihood. But we're going to get an x plus 4 here, right? Because whatever number this side is, the next even number would be 2 more than that, and the hypotenuse, which should be the longest of the three, would be 2 more than that, right? So then they essentially want you to set up Pythagorean theorem, which is leg squared plus the other leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. And that is answer C.